Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Gusto plan for multi-state payroll. I run a growing business with employees in a few different states, so I had to dive deep into Gusto's plans to figure out what was actually necessary. Let me save you the time and cut right to the chase. If you need to pay employees in more than one U.S. state, you need to be on the Gusto Plus plan at a minimum. The key thing to understand is that Gusto's entry-level plan, the Simple Plan, is designed only for single-state payroll. If your team is entirely based in, say, Texas, the Simple Plan is great. It's affordable and handles all the basics. But the moment you hire someone across a state line, you have to upgrade. The Plus Plan is where Gusto unlocks its full multi-state payroll functionality. It automatically handles all the complex tax calculations and filings for employees working in multiple states, and it does this for you with every pay run at no extra charge. This feature alone, the seamless compliance across state lines, is why it's the best starting point for a multi-state business. Beyond multi-state payroll, the Plus Plan throws in other valuable features that growing companies need, like built-in time tracking and better PTO management. For me, having time tracking directly integrated with payroll was a huge time saver. It also offers next-day direct deposit, which is a nice perk for employee satisfaction. Now, you might wonder about the premium plan. The premium plan includes everything the Plus Plan has, but adds a dedicated customer success manager and direct access to certified HR experts and an HR resource center. I would only recommend a premium plan if your business has truly complex HR needs or a large number of employees where that dedicated support is critical. For most small to mid-sized businesses with multi-state payroll, the Plus Plan is the sweet spot that balances essential features with cost-effectiveness. So, in summary, if you have multi-state payroll, skip the Simple Plan. Go with the Plus Plan for full multi-state payroll support and a robust set of HR features. It's the plan I use, and it's what gives me the confidence that all my state and local taxes are being handled correctly. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.